Hey guys, welcome back sa Today with Chase. And for today's episode, we are here in Bake Space. So we will be having a contest kung sino yung pinaka magandang cake na magawa. So this is part of Vinny's celebration for her 14th birthday. And yeah, they are still preparing. Are you ready? Dara, i-pro ni mo to. Oh. Muluto ka, apil ka dihag buhat. Ha?
Alright, so hello everyone, good afternoon. Welcome to Bake Space, Experiential Baking Studio, where you get to make your own story and make happiness for yourself and your loved ones. Alright, may I know all first time bakers here? Raise your hands. First time. Oh, most of you are first time bakers. So for those first time bakers, you don't have to worry. We got you covered. Is there anyone celebrating a birthday today? We'll start from table 1.
Not today, this month.
This one. Can I have the name? Venice? Alright, Mom Venice. Okay, we will sing them a happy birthday song. 1, 2, 3, go! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Ini tes sila daan.
Happy birthday to the whole of you. Since it's your birthday or birth month, and you are baking cakes, you can get one happy birthday topper and one candle for free later. Alright. All the ingredients are complete and they are pre-measured. All you have to do is to pour them in upon my cue. And inside your drawer, please take a look. Those are the tools needed for baking. Please get
Ay,
the
taoy.
spatula there.
Purple. Okay.
And beneath your drawer, you can also see a black mixing bowl. Please also get that one.
Black mixing
Black
bowl.
mixing bowl.
Wala man. Ay, naubos.
Perfect. Let's start by cracking the eggs. Okay, cookies, only one egg. Bento, only one egg.
Oh, sige.
Classic, 2 eggs. Brownies, 2 eggs.
Hala, disco.
Classic.
Wa na ang mga bagal nga apil na.
For the bento or cup. Alright, do not mix yet because in baking we do not overmix as it will make your cake dense. Next ingredient is the vegetable oil. All of it, yes.
Butang tanan.
All the vegetable oil.
Ah, kurot no, kurot.
Next is the milk.
Matagak. Ikaw na, guniti.
Alright, okay. Please pour all
bubutanan.
your milk. Next is the small gravy cup, vanilla extract. Yes, all. You can also smell it. It smells good.
Ours smells good.
Next is the butter.
Butang mo, butang mo.
Remove the parchment paper, then drop your butter inside your mixing bowl.
Mau gay.
Right, now hold your spatula. We will mix it for 10 seconds. Go! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, please stop mixing. Alright, now start pouring the dry ingredients. Start with sugar.
Estimate ra nga.
All the sugar.
Ul. Patay. Puto lang ti iliguman.
Oh, gisukod na.
Di pa di-mix.
Ayaw salag. Pag-iningon na tong teacher.
Okay, next is the flour.
Flour.
Make sure you
Okay, Bobby.
empty your jar for the flour because there's a baking powder and baking soda there. Especially those flour that stick in the jar.
Oh, tiluka daw mo.
Asa to?
For those baking chocolate cakes and cupcakes as well as for brownies, please pour your cocoa powder. We will mix again for another another 10 seconds. Go. 1,
Na.
2, 10. Okay, please stop mixing. Now we will be using the electric mixer, but we will arrange first, so we will not be crowded here in the mixer station.
Basin ba yan? Hindi na mo tingo mo tuyok ron.
Okay.
Ayaw, isudi mong kamot diya sa kuan ha?
Yeah.
Tuwaran ito na ino.
Babaw ra.
Okay, now go to the big button. Speed na yan. Turn it to the right.
Patay.
One tiny click or speed number 1.
Go!
Number 1 ra ha? Ah, okay.
We will mix it.
Wa may number dito.
1, 2,
30
Wow.
seconds.
3, 4, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25,
Siya, hindi.
26,
So, mo kamot dito.
27, 28, 29, 30. Okay, stop the mixer.
Stop na.
Right, using your spatula, you scrape the
Mati, oy.
sides at the bottom of the bowl. And once you're done
Dere.
scraping, we will mix again. You
Ano?
brush your pans with oil, the sides and the bottom. Okay.
Ay,
Brush
sinuli.
your
Ay,
pans
sinuli.
with oil, the sides and the bottom, then put the parchment paper. One parchment paper each time. You divide your cake batter into the number of pans you have. If you have 3 pans, you divide it into 3.
Tarong ang bahin ha? Kay misa, basig madaghanan ang uban.
If you have 3 pans, you divide your cake batter into 3. So using your ice cream scoop.
Kanilang sa. Nya, sunod na pod nya. Kung kuwang gani, duwag gilang.
Ang sakay resulta na yan.
Basig may mo pandisal ha.
Ang ibindak daw, 10 to 20 na. So, okay na inyo.
Okay. You will not be making an icing, so
Okay na, be.
we will just
Asa man
wait
ta?
for your
Sibuk ra diri gamay.
cookies to make. You can stay there while waiting for your cookies.
Diri mo, nice.
Or you can observe.
Hinay nice ha, kainit.
I-post dito.
Okay, cookies, do not forget the toppings. You have your toppings.
Moka.
So before we start with the icing making, I would like to congratulate all of you. You have completed stage 1.
Yehey!
Now we will proceed in stage 2, in which you are making an icing from scratch. Inside your steel bowl, please take a look. Those are the ingredients for the icing making. Now what you will do, you smash the ingredients first.
Mash.
Smash the butter and the flour. Okay, you may now pour your powdered sugar, all the powdered sugar. This will be your mixer.
Itilok ah. Hindi masyad nice. Hindi masyad. Ito na, Gib. Nangausik na dito nice.
May lami.
Lamig be.
So please place your steel bowl into the mixer. It's not locked yet, so I have to lock it.
Dala ko to.
Lak na, ilak na.
Yes.
Asa man ang
Now
control?
go to speed number 1. Our goal here is to make your icing white and fluffy, so go to speed number 1. Now add one more click, go to speed number 2.
Speed number. Ay, kusog na kayo yung lab. Isa ra ka na lab.
Now add one more click, go to speed number 3.
Up.
Now add 2 more clicks, go to speed number
Ilat na na. Ilat na na. Kay nag-add man ka ganina. Tu, padong, kusog lab.
Oy, naaw pa mo.
Kana de.
Aw. Papalita ako mamagingani.
To the maximum speed, speed number 8, all the way to the
Lahos na daw.
Wow.
all the way.
Naisip na siya. Tanawan ako ang cake.
Ano ang cake ni?
Wala, oh. Elsa na.
Bantay ato abi.
Elsa na siya. Ang mocha. Oh, litubo na. Litubo na siya. Ang nilang chocolate. Hello, exciting. Butang sa pangasiya. After dito sa oven ay nandito na sila sa labas. Ayan, wow! Napahanginan sila.
Use the triangular utensil kay para din nagamit yung cake. Di ba po ba take out? So, up, down, all over the sides. And then you flip your pan on the polygraph to take out your cake.
Apil ang up down na hindi perte kahinhin.
Okay, these are the colors available. There are other metal utensils inside your drawer.
Nabali mo na.
Take
Nabali,
one.
Rin.
These are the colors available.
Nabali mo na.
You may choose
Ay,
your
nabali
cake.
na.
Also mix colors.
Nana, yung cake?
Mamabali, magsipabubo.
Okay ra yung cake.
Ma'am, this is your cake board. I will provide instruction later.
Be, na-mix na mo, be.
Nindot niya pagka-blue.
Oh, nindot pagka-blue, be. Pero hinaya ka, basig maya po mo. Tumbling na noon ng kuan. Orange man na imo ay. Kuan na. Insa na imo, kuya?
Brown and orange. Nana siya pagka, mukha kit siya.
Oo, mo ka bitaw, no? Kani kang Lawrence kay murag kana ganing mga cake nga nay orange. Citrus ba, di ba? Di kay mo tilaw ko ani yung kuan be. Pagod. Tilaw Hines. Ay hala, nahulog.
Sanawa ko ito.
Okay, so I will provide my final instruction. We have provided you cake boards. What you will do with the cake board is you put icing at the center, enough to hold your cake. Once your cake board is on top of your cake spinner, icing first, and then we have cut the top part of your cake. What you will do is, you put your cake upside down. The cut part should now be at the bottom.
Bottom na ni.
So sa ilaw ng cut
Butang isa ni icing.
kaya masami sa nasa ilaw niya. And then add icing, another layer of cake, icing, another
Balik ko,
layer
babe.
of cake. So say for example, this is your layered cake. How will you cover your cake fully with icing? It's by using the piping bag method. We will put the icing inside the piping bag. And we will cut this part. So this is how you will cover your cake. You start from bottom up to the top. Start from bottom up to the top. Spin the cake spinner while squeezing the piping bag. And how will you smoothen your icing? It's by using the scraper. It's inside your drawer, you have scraper. And 45 degrees. Spin the cake spinner. 45 degrees ang for the scraper. And for the top, how will you smoothen the top? Using the scraper or using this one? Here. This one. You just have to wipe inwards. Wipe inwards. Every time you wipe, you clean your spatula or metal utensil, then wipe again inwards. That's how will you smoothen your icing. You can get 2 to 3 sprinkles. Okay, we have sprinkles. And 1 to 2 toppers. We also have piping tips. If you want to put flowers, we have piping tips for the decoration.
Kung saan naman imong binis, color blue. Nanay icing yung cake. Mint cake, mint cake. Murag mint nga di. Baby pink. Baby pink. Layer man. Unsa man ay unsay aspiration anang imuhang cake, Lawrence?
Unsa na ko?
Pagkasal man ka. Ay mo binis Joseph.
Abot na lang yun. Ito to, cake with tuyok.
Kani.
Ano, pareho kang binis. Dili, uy. Ituyok nimo pero anak ko nimo ang kanang murag tinidor. Ay dili uy kani imong gamiton sa kilid sa abra man na. Ay, napot sila silupin dito Silupin. Ay, dito. Na dito sa silupin. Naunsa naman mo diha? Unsa man nganong gidritso pud ninyo gingana-ingana? Mo di ay. Hala na. Lagi unsa man tuloy mo Heidi? Ago ba? Sa man na be, nagsige naman lang kag putos ana niya. Wa man lagi matabon eh. Ay mukuha ka atong silupin ba ana tan-awa kang migo. Taka. To adto sa loyo. Baga anak ayo na inyo icing. Kinaingana di ay?
Udah lang magkaya ni dito, gani iya gani. Didi, anak mo na sa kilidon.
Anya, tuyok. Sige. Ay, pakang binis, Jill, awa.
Ito nga, ilan sa manaoy. Natarong lagi lang, tita lagi.
Okay, tabangan naman sila. Sige ko no, Heights. Be, unsa? Ay, oh, ni Purma buwak, Heights. Hala. Oh, be ko no. Naka-cute. Cute kayo, Heights. Hala, nanindot na ilahay din. Anay buwak-buwak. Oh, nice, be. Ala, nanindot.
Yay! Pindot na lang yun.
Sige ko no, Len. Unsa may purma na imo, Len? Buwak-buwak na. Ah, pinalusot-lusot nga dako. Hala, ka-cute sa imo, nice. Hala, ninindot na inyong cake. Ala, oh, na-design na kang Heidi, oh. Ay! Agoy, nindot na kayo la Heidi. Ang ila Heidi, gyud ani, og kang sina ang mudaog. Nindot kayo ila, oh. Ang kang binis po, cute kaayo kang binis. Ang inyo kay mamoka gid siya. Ang kini mo man yung pangkasal unta pero ubot na unsa naman na. Isa. Sige, video. Wow!